Hello students, welcome class 2 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all have watched your previous classes. Previous class I discussed till brushes tool. Chapter number 6, let us paint. This chapter is going on. Previous class I discussed till brushes tool. How to apply the brushes tool, airbrush tool, and the different brushes are option are there. You can apply airbrush tool, and then previous class I discussed. Today I will discuss how to save your drawing in Paint. How to save after drawing a beautiful picture. If you want to save this picture in your computer, how to save it. Once you have completed your drawing, you need to save the same for the further use, for the future use or further use. If you draw a beautiful picture, if you want to save your picture for the future use or further use, you have to save your drawing. Without saving, if you don't save your picture, you cannot get back in the next time. So you have to save. How to save? First you have to, after drawing this picture, you have to click the file. You have to click on the file tab. Left side there is a file tab. You have to click on the file tab. When we click the file tab, one drop down menu will appear. There is the option save as. These options are there. There is many other option is there. When you click the file tab, in under of the file tab, these are the option, and select the save option. From here there is a new, open, save as, print, exit. All the options are available in under of the file tab. When you click, you can see these options will open. And if you want to save your drawing, you have to click on the save option. There is a save option. You just click the save option. When you click the save option, save as dialog box will appear. Save as dialog box appear on the screen. You can see this is the save as dialog box. Save as dialog box will appear, and there is a written file name. One box space is given. There is written file name. You just write the file name, which name you want to save, which name you want to give for your picture. Suppose you have drawn a house, my house. If you want to give this name, my house, you just type the file name. As you wish, whatever you want, you can give any name. And after giving this name, there is a button save or cancel. There is button save and cancel. If you want to save your picture after giving the file name, you have to click on the save button. There is a save button. Up first write down the file name and then click the save button. Type the name to the file in the file name box. This is the file name box. In the file name box, you just write the name, which name you want to give, and then select the location where you want to save your drawing. If you want to save your drawing on the desktop, you just select the location, and if you want to save any other drive, you can select the location where you want to save your that file name. You have to that means folder, C drive, D drive, and any other drive. If you want to save, you just choose the location and click the save button, and then click the save button, and your drawing is saved in your computer system. And then you can see your file will be saved in your machine. Now closing our drawing. That means after using the MS Paint, it is a software. After using this any software, you have to close. If you want to shut down your machine, before you have to close the software. Which one you program, you have to close first. Okay. So you are working with MS Paint. After using this, working in Paint, you have to close it. You have to close. How to close? There is option. There is under of the file tab. Once you have saved your drawing, you can close the Paint window by following the given step. There in the control button in the window, the Paint window top right corner, there is a control button. Minimize, maximize, and close. Using cross, minimize maximize and close. This is close. Using this button, using this close button, you can close the MS Paint. Click on the close button present on the control button. These are called control button. These are called control button. Using the close button, you can close the MS Paint. Okay. When you click it, your drawing will be closed. In this way you can close, and another way also you can close MS Paint. You can close your drawing. Click the file tab. There, when you save your drawing, I told to click the file tab. When you click the file tab, one menu will appear. There is option exit. There is option, if you want to save, exit, EXIT. This option you can use to close the drawing under of the file tab. Click the file tab. In under of the file tab there is option exit. You just click the exit option. Then your drawing will be closed. Now how to open a saved drawing? Suppose you have saved your drawing, my house, you given a name, my house, and next open means existing file you can open. Okay. If you don't save your drawing, you cannot open. You cannot open this file. Which one you have saved previously, you can open that file only. Okay. So saved file you can open. To open a saved drawing, you have to follow this step. There also you have to click on the file tab. You have to click on the file tab. Under of the file tab there is a, when you click the file tab, these are the option. There are the many options are there. There is option new, save as, and open. There is option open also is there. Exit, print, these all are option. If you want to open your existing file, click the file tab. In under of the file tab you just click open. When you click the open option, the open dialog box will appear. When you click open, there is a open dialog box will appear. There you just choose, select the file name from the list of files. There are which one have saved in Paint. All the files name will show over there. In a list, which one you want to open, you just click on that particular file. You just click on that particular file, that file will be open. Select the file name from the list of files, click on the open button. You just double click on the file name, it will be open, or you just select the file, just left mouse button click, and then option open or cancel. If you want to open, after selecting you just click on the open button. You just click on the open button and you can see the file will be open. You can see on the screen your file, your your drawing will be open. Okay. Work gently on the keyboard. Hitting the keys hard will damage them. Yes, when you use the keyboard, obviously always you use the keyboard gently. Don't press it very hardly. If you hit them hardly, then it will damage. Okay. Now turn over the next page. Creating a new drawing. After suppose you have drawn a beautiful picture, then again you want to draw another picture, and that means another picture means you have to open a new page. When you use the drawing page, then you using one page, if you want to draw a new picture, obviously you have to turn over the next page or a new page you have to open. Same as here also, if you want to draw another picture, one new page, new drawing if you want to draw, then you have to follow this step. There also you have to click on the file tab. If you want to open a new page, open a new drawing, then click on the file tab. In under of the file tab there is option new. Under of the file tab there is option new. If you want to open a new, then click on the new. When you click on the new option, when you click it, you can see new drawing new page will open. That means new page will open for you, blank places is there, blank space is there, there you can draw. Okay, and Control plus S is used to save a file. After drawing, if you want to save your drawing, you can press Control plus S. This is a keyboard shortcut key. You can use this one for saving, to save your drawing. Okay, for today this much. You all will practice in your home. If you have computer in your home, you all will open MS Paint and draw, apply all these tools, and how to save it, how to open a new, how to close it. You all will apply all this. Okay, and read the chapters thoroughly. Next class I will discuss book exercise. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.